What's up, YouTubers? Check it out. I did this for about 24 years. You see that guy there? Fellow local carpet cleaner. He's a great guy. He finished the job on the fourth floor and he is now lowering the hoses out of the building. And you can see he's got a pretty good process for doing it. I think he has either a string or something tied to the end of it, but there's also a water hose. This is the fourth floor. And of course, my fellow VLMers, oh my goodness, are we grateful for the new process? Oh goodness, there are a lot of people in the area that do request truck-mounted steam cleaning. And I met this gentleman today and talked for a brief period of time. Him and his father own the business. And I'll definitely be referring him out as people request the truck-mounted steam cleaning. I'll definitely be referring them out to customers who call and request truck-mounted steam cleaning, or their lease requires truck-mounted steam cleaning at some of these units. So there you have it. It can be done. Thought I would share this with my YouTubers. Look at all that hose, and the red hose, if you notice on the bottom, is the water line. You can see it going all the way up, and the thing with the water line is you have to find a place. These buildings don't have water hookups right conveniently by every unit, so I'll try and zoom down on a clip here. I'll try to cover the van, but the water line goes all the way down there to the left where he found a hookup, which was nice. Alrighty, hats off to my friend there, doing a fantastic job. I'll see you in my next episode.